Hey fellow guitar players, welcome to Master Guitar Pet. My name is Jörg. I just listened to the new single Angry by the Rolling Stones from their album Hackney Diamond, and this single is out now. You can check it out on YouTube, and it's a pretty cool riff, so I thought I would make a quick lesson out of it. Since I'm quite a big Rolling Stones fan, I have a few sort of lessons that are Rolling Stones geared. If you're interested in some open G tuning lessons, check out this playlist right here. But we're going to go right into the song right now. We're going to be playing it in standard tuning. I'm not sure if one of the guitars has an open G. I suspect they would, because that's kind of that signature Rolling Stones sound, okay? It's in the key of B, so I'm playing it in bar chords. We're on the 7th fret. With the E bar chord. Okay, we go down to the E, the A bar chord here on the 7th fret, that's E. That's the first section. Then we go to E and then A. Then we'll repeat that. And we'll repeat that. And there's a pause because he's singing there and you have your drums going and the bass, so there's nothing else you need to do, okay? That's how it goes. All right, so we totally play that 4 times, okay? And the strumming. I'm going to slow that down. For those of you who want to practice that strumming a little bit. When we play that the 4th time, we have to hold the note here a little bit, place a little lick there before we go into the pre-chorus. And the pre-chorus is A and E twice. Okay, so twice. From A to E. And then once from A to E to B. Okay, that's the pre-chorus. Again, the strumming, you can just strum once. Or strum a little bit more, just listen to the tune, you're going to get the hang of it. And then the chorus actually goes to a C sharp minor. That twice. This 3rd time, we go to E, and then there's a stop. And then we start again. And we play that 4 times again. Okay, so twice. Okay, so chorus again. And then he gets into the lead solo, okay? And after the lead solo, this is all there is to play. All right, so there's a quick tutorial on that new tune. It's actually quite cool. The video is great too, so check it out on YouTube. I'll put a link in the description for you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I will see you soon. Take care.